There's data all around you. All day long, you hear about GPD, inflation rate, unemployment rate, or in a more fun setting, you may be hearing about some athlete's performance numbers or chance of winning a lottery, sometimes in the same sentence as being hit by lightning. In every walk of life, we hear about numbers. These numbers are given to inform us so that we can make better decisions. But are we better decision makers? Do we all know how to use these numbers? Statistics can be used to explain anything, from medicine to agriculture to weather to economics to sports to social behavior, you name it. And statistics can help us identify factors that are influencing outcomes. And learning how these factors influence these outcomes can help us shape the outcomes so that become more favorable to us. Because statistics can help us make sense of the data, it is one of the most important skills sought by employers in their new hires. You see statistics listed as the #1 hot skill by LinkedIn or being called the sexy job of the next decades. All organizations are looking for these data scientists. So what is statistics? This is not a trivial question. Statistics is one field that can easily be misused, either intentionally by unethical or unintentionally by the unaware. When it is done the right way, the data is collected in the right way and analysis done in the right way, and finally the results are presented in the right way, it can be a great tool in understanding the world around us and benefit by making better decisions. And when it's not done the right way, because we start off with bad data or use the wrong methodology or misinterpret the result, we can actually do harm. So now let's focus on this course. First, I will be completely honest with you. You will not be a data scientist or a statistician after completing this course. That takes many courses and much more training. However, you're taking this course, I assume, because you want to understand the topic better. We need a lot of people with this skill set. Most managers can hire outstanding data scientists, but when they themselves don't understand some of the basics, then how would they direct these data scientists to explore the right questions? Or how would they ask the right questions when the results are presented? And ultimately, how would they use the results to make better decisions? This is a course for that manager who wants to get the basics of statistical analysis and procedures. At a macro level, the learning objectives of this course is for you to become statistically literate, learn how to summarize data, learn how to gain insights from the summaries, understanding the significance of sampling and sample statistics, and using sample statistics to make inferences about the population. So how will you be able to get these skills? Each module starts with an overall introduction of topic we are learning about. The video lectures will provide topic-specific information. These video lectures will teach the theoretical concepts which we will then use to apply to various problems and settings. The course objective is to use large data sets where we can apply every concept we are learning. For this reason, the Excel illustration videos will show you how to apply the methodology and then how to interpret the results. Here, our goal is not to just produce the results. Our goal is to know what the results actually mean so that we can make better decisions. To make sure that you have mastered the material, you will be given quizzes. Since the statistical concepts covered in this course all build on each other, it is imperative that you get a good understanding of each subject before you move on. This self-assessment will allow you to know if you are ready to move on or if you need to review the concepts covered in more detail. If you feel as though you have not mastered the material, it may be a good time for you to use one of the free textbooks that you have been given links to as an additional resource. You will also be given questions or scenarios which are less quantitative in nature and are asked to explain or critique. These are part of the peer-reviewed assignments. You will be asked to post your response, and you are asked to read other students' responses and post comments on their quality. This activity will sharpen your skills in reacting to reports that are based on data analysis, and is where you are integrating many of the skills needed by a decision maker. I hope you stay with me and work through the material. You have not picked an easy topic. If it were easy, there wouldn't be a shortage for this skill in the employment market. But I can promise you that we will be focused on applying the tools we learn. Even when I'm going through some dry concepts, as sometimes classified by others, not me, I will only go through those only by as much as necessary for you to understand the results and not beyond that. If you stay with me and remain diligent, you too will see the beauty and the power of this fascinating science.